also feel that it's good to keep a roll of paper towels in the equipment. They seem to work pretty good right here beside the seat right there, this little opening. Yeah, floor is clean. I guess we'll switch our attention over to the glass because that's got a smudge in it and I can't get rid of it. Okay, so I don't really have a competitor for this Marks Napa brand 8100 glass cleaner. Although, let me turn this down. Although I've used similar glass cleaners in the past, and I will tell you, the junk, absolute junk. They streak, they leave like a film all over the glass. I've used everything from Windex to invisible glass that you can buy at Walmart, and I've used Rain-X glass cleaner, which, by the way, sucks. So, kind of curious to see how this Marks glass cleaner does. Let's find out. And I'm sure there's going to be some that are going to say, oh, the paper towels behind you, those need to be a specific kind. Well, I find that the blue paper towels work wonders. The shop towels, the Bounty ones, they don't seem to work. They don't hold up. What I found is if you just kind of coat the whole entire glass with it, and then you want to get a paper towel, okay? And what I like to do is go from the top down to the bottom. And the key to this is you keep the paper towel nice and flat. You kind of want to exert some pressure on it. And you can see that the smear is still on the inside of the glass. I think that's definitely on the inside because this is coming out real nice. Although the few little specks and stuff on the glass, but it's coming out. You can even flip the paper towel. Then what I do is set that one aside. You don't really need it, and you just want to kind of run it all over everything with the dry one, and then you'll take your dry paper towel and do it on the inside of the glass again. So if you guys look at this door, there's not a smudge in the darn thing. And this stuff works. Those of you that are doubting me, go check it out for yourselves. You're hearing it from a first-hand man that uses this stuff, who swears by it and everything else. This stuff works, so go check it out, and you'll believe me that you did. Looks crystal clear from back here. So yeah, we'll go in the cab now and see how it looks from looking out the back window towards the back end of the shop. It don't look bad at all, except the manure chunks. But I should have pulled it up and washed the window with soap and water, and then took the glass cleaner to it. But it don't look bad. I'm impressed. I like this stuff. It really, really works. Like I said earlier, if you guys don't believe me, just go get a case of it and try it for yourself. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so we're working on this John Deere 7200 today. Yeah, the John Deere 7200 and John Deere 4020. 4020 is going to get a bath and the front end may be greased. I don't know yet. I got the cab cleaned out as you've seen in the last video. It's going to get grease as well. I'm waiting for the cab to dry out. As you've seen in the last video, I had sprayed some super clean foamer in there. That I got in a giveaway from Mike P 7810. Go check his channel out. He's a small farmer in New York. I think he's got like a 44, 40, 40, 55, 44, 55. I don't know, but he's got the oddball tractors. If you ask me, like the odd series that don't make any sense. But this cab's drying nicely. Just my feet prints in here from washing the windows, as you guys have seen the last video. I'm gonna put this carpet in here. It's just an old cutout of, I think it come out of a house, of the farmhouse or something. I don't exactly remember, but it's carpet. So let's pull that 4020 ahead and we'll start washing it.